I stream the meeting? One second.
Wait, let me get my charger.
Setting up your meeting for YouTube. Like, is something coming on? I stream the meeting. One second. Oh, we are live.
Wait, let me get my charger. Who's that? Oh, we're live. Hello, hello.
Yeah, I need to stop this so that we can continue. Do you like to share the screen? Oh, just let me invite few people from Instagram.
Why not?
I mean,
Let's do it. Let me
hi guys,
put
if
my Instagram as
people
well.
are watching this video, anybody, we're gonna trade live on Forex, and it's kind of easy. We have Eldo with us straight from Greece. So he'll explain you about Forex a little. By the time I'll just go on my Instagram and invite few people out.
Go ahead. Hi guys, my name is Eldo. I'm a Forex trader since 2 years now. And what we're gonna show you here with Nishkash is how to do this from home, how to earn money from your own PC. Right now I'm at my place. As you can see, no green screen here, nothing to hide. Yeah, family's house. So let's start, Nish. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you should first explain them what Forex is, and then the signs like what if it says GBP USD. So what the
Absolutely.
currency is meaning when it says that, and maybe something about the pips, how we calculate.
Yeah, let's start from the basics
You
then.
can
Yeah.
share the screen. Yeah, I'll just a second. I'll give you the
Make
phone.
me a host, yeah, so I can share my screen.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so I guess you guys can see my whiteboard. Okay, when we're talking about Forex, sorry about my letters. Okay, we're talking about foreign exchange. Okay, this is a 6.6 trillion dollar industry. We're talking about daily. Okay, so imagine if you guys could have the skill to take small part of this $6.6 trillion industry. Imagine how much money we're talking about here. So starting, for example, when we're talking about Forex, we're talking about currency pairs. Okay, so we're trading one currency for another currency. For example, now Nishkas, he's living in India. And if he decides tomorrow to come and visit me in Greece, right? Let's say, for example, he's got 10,000 rupees, sorry, 10,000 rupees in his pocket. Okay, INR. Let me just make that INR. Okay. And I tell him, look, Nish, you're gonna come here for like a week. You're not gonna spend a single penny. And he's saying, no, bro, I need to exchange that money. I need to get euros. Okay. So that euros, he would potentially get how much is 10,000 rupees, Nish, in euros? If you exchange that, I think
somewhere around 82. Hello, I think they can see your screen.
Really?
I'm
just sharing my whiteboard now.
Oh no, they can.
They can, yeah. Okay. I hope you guys can see that. Okay, so it should be around 82 euros. Okay, so when we're talking about exchanging, that's what we do. Okay, because one country cannot accept Indian rupees.
It's 86.09.
82.09. Okay.
86,
so I tell 86, you said?
Yeah.
86. Okay. That sounds even better. That sounds even better.
I mean, you should take a trip, yeah.
So we're talking about 86 euros right here. So then I tell Nish, look, Nish, you're my friend, you're my buddy. I'm not gonna let you spend a single penny, okay? So Nish comes here like a king, spending nothing, okay, letting Eldo pay for his drinks and everything, okay? And he goes back to India, okay? Now, when he goes back to India, this guy has to exchange euros back to Indian rupees, right? and then he's going to be given one exchange rate. Okay, that exchange rate might give him three options. Okay, first option, he might get same amount that he had in the beginning, so 10,000 Indian rupees. Second option, he might get 9,000 Indian rupees, and third option, he might get 12,000 Indian rupees. Okay, in this case scenario, he's not winning anything, right? He got the same amount as he had in the beginning. But in this scenario, if he gets less than he had before, that means he's down 1,000 rupees. Okay, so he hasn't made anything. In fact, here he lost 1,000 rupees. But in this scenario, he's up 2,000 rupees, which means that Nishkas made 2,000 rupees out of nothing, right? Just by taking advantage of the exchange rate. Okay, you guys understand that? That's what we're gonna be doing now. That's what we're gonna be doing now. We're doing this right now.
So
Okay.
there are many reasons I think it fluctuates. There are macro reasons. There are certain. So banks are usually participating in forex trade. If I'm not wrong, Edo.
Say that again.
The banks, they are usually participating in forex, so the market is pretty much stable because the banks don't let the currency go haywire against each other in a single day.
Yeah, exactly. So this is how forex works, correct, Nish?
Yeah,
That's what we're
so
gonna be doing.
yeah, so in India, guys who are watching it from India, you can download. There are certain traders like OctaFX. I'm using OctaFX right now. Eldo is using MetaTrader 4 or 5.
MetaTrader 4, yeah, that's the best one we can use. Okay, we're gonna show you guys how to use that for your own benefits to make some money. Okay, we're gonna do it step by step to show you why you need to put, where you need to put it, and which currency you can use to make some money. We're gonna do that in front of your eyes, right, Nish?
Yeah.
Awesome. So should we start with the main one, with the main tool that they can use to analyze the chart, which is TradingView?
Yeah, we should actually tell them about what TradingView is.
Okay.
So TradingView is basically this website, and it's a mobile application as well you can go to. It is integrated with all the charts of different exchanges, and pretty much about it. It has certain features, functions. You can draw trend lines. You can, that we can. It's better we show them how TradingView looks like.
Exactly. So let me just share my screen. I'm going to show you guys what TradingView is. Okay. All right. So if you go on Google, all right, and just type TradingView. This tool is for free, by the way. Everybody in the world is using the same tool that we're using right now. So there's nothing here to worry about. Okay, there's no money that you need to pay. Okay, there is a payment option, there is a premium option, but you don't have to pay that. Okay, because the basic tool just does everything for you. Okay, you literally don't need much. So here's where you can actually find all the financial instruments. We have indices here, we have currencies, we have futures, we have crypto, bonds, anything you want to analyze. Everybody's using this tool to analyze the charts before they take a position, okay? We're going to go ahead and check some currencies, right? So let's click here, for example, Euro USD, okay? When this appears here, okay, you guys are going to see an indicator. You guys are going to see this one here. Let me just, how do I do that? Wait, where's the annotation tool? I cannot find it here.
You need to open the charts on the top left.
No, I was looking for the annotation tool on Zoom, but okay, let's leave that. Let me just open this one here. I'm going to show you guys from here how to do it. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the Euro USD, okay, Euro USD chart, okay, and right on the right side, you're gonna see lots of numbers, okay, lots of numbers. The number that let me just clear out my chart because I was actually trading this one before. Okay, remove drawings. Okay, so we can see here 1.17417. Okay, what this number indicates. Okay, This number indicates the exchange between euro and US dollars. Okay, so for example, 1 euro equals to 1.17406. Okay, in other words, if you have like 100 euros and you want to get dollars, that you will multiply the 100 euros with 1.17 and you will find how many US dollars is that. So that is going to bring you around $117. Okay, 41 cents. Does that make sense? Nish,
Yeah.
anything to add on that?
It's also called pips. The four decimal number which you see, which is 1701. So that one which you see is called a pipet, if I'm not wrong. So guys,
That's
I'm
correct.
not a forex person. I was a huge equity. I'm a huge equity guy. But this is something which is actually worth your time because it doesn't require much of your capital, and it is something which, if you are patient, if you get it right, you can, there's a guy sitting right in front of you. You can, live your life. Come on.
Exactly. That's easy. That's really easy to do. So as Nish as well, very well said, to calculate the difference between 1%, one exchange rate between another, we have a thing called pips. Okay, so pips is actually a measurement of difference on points. Okay, so for example, 1.1742, sorry, I wrote that differently, minus 1.1740, we're talking about a difference of 2 points. Okay, these 2 points, we call them pips. Okay, now how does this help you to earn money? Okay, how you can use that to earn money,
That's the main question.
because we're talking about pips and all that things, and you will be wondering like, okay, why the fuck do I need that, right? How the fuck do I use that to make money? Okay, what we also need here is one more thing before we calculate how to earn money. Okay, and this is the lot size. Okay, what is the lot size? The lot size is the multiplier of the pips. Okay, what do I mean by that? You're like, for example, if you have earned like 2 pips, okay, and you use lot size 1.0, that equals to 10 US dollars, or whatever, whichever country you are, US dollars per pip. Okay, so per pip. So for example, if you've earned 2 pips, you multiply that. Sorry, if you've earned 2 pips, you multiply that with $10, and we are talking about, how much is that? $20. Okay, so I hope this makes a bit more sense right now. Okay, in the beginning, it might seem a bit difficult, but don't worry, we have all the tools to calculate that. You don't need a master's degree in mathematics to understand this. Okay, trust me, it's so simple, right, Nish?
Yeah, man. It's like breaking it down. You guys don't need to look at 1 pip. You can maybe look at 0.1 pip. So every sorry, 0.1 lot. So every pip will be equal to $1. So for every fourth decimal change, you will you will either get $1 or you will either lose $1. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Now, what if you don't have $10 in your account? Okay, you can even play with smaller sizes. Okay, that's why we have the lot size. Okay, so you can, if you choose lot size 0.1, we're gonna show you how to do that. That means that we have like, we are, let me say betting, I'm gonna say investing $1 per pip. So that means if you have won 2 pips, okay, we multiply that with $1, and that equals to $2 one. Okay, that might not excite you very much in the beginning. Okay, I know this is not like a big thing, but I know some people who would appreciate even $2 in their account right now. So it's a good skill. Once you learn the skill, you can just multiply that, and who knows, maybe someday that will end up into $20, $200, 2,000, and the sky's the limit, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Billion. What are we talking about? Let's see.
Let's see. Okay, so let's leave the theory. Okay, last one I want to show you is this one. 0.01 lot size, we're talking about 0.10 cents per $10 per pip. If you, sorry, I forgot to put 2 here. Nish forgot to correct me as well. So we're talking about how much is that? 0.20, right?
Yeah.
$0.20. Okay. So this is all the theory that you need to know. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to take that, how to take advantage of that and to make money. Yeah. So should we look at some charts?
Yeah. So understanding charts, I hope people know the like what charts are, what they're denoting. Although because it's a candle chart, I would still like to explain. So when you open a candle, can you zoom into a candle, a single candle? Yeah. So the last candle which you see, it's a red candle. So first of all, a red candle means the price is lower than what it has opened at that particular candle. So this candle, one candle is for 1 hour. So every 1 hour, the price action of the stock will be covered in this one candle. The upper wick, which you see, the single stick which is coming from the top, that is the price which has in this 1 hour it has gone till there, but it has opened at the price where you see the major solid wick starting. And because it is red, the upper price is the opening one, and we go down till where it's going. The solid downward end is the price which it is at currently, and the downward wick which is coming, the single stick which is coming, is the price till where it has gone down to. So that's about the candles. Um, we can this also, so we are viewing like a 1 hour chart right now for different duration of trades. If you want to take a trade of say 1 day, which you will take right now and you want to square it off tomorrow. So you will see a chart of something like a 2 hour chart or a 1 day chart or a half an hour chart or a 1 hour chart. If you want to do scalping, which is like I took a trade right now and I squared it off around 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 or 25 minutes later. So for that, you don't need to see the 1 hour, 2 hour, or the huge charts. You can see the 5 minute chart, 1 minute chart, 3 minute chart, 15 minutes chart. So, but the longer trend has to be decided. So it will come by practice. I can't tell you everything right now. It will come by practice, but you just need to determine the trend, the overall trend of this currency which we are trading. So now I think we would be finding a trade for our guys. If anybody is watching, I don't know if nobody is watching, it's okay. We'll anyways trade.
Exactly. Let's do that. All right, so let's check this one. Okay, I think we can find a good trade here.
That's
All right, how do we find the
right?
trade? We zoom out, we go on the chart, we zoom out in the 1 hour chart, okay? And we start putting our lines. Yeah, so I think here, first thing we need to do is put our trend line. So is our overall trend going up or going down? We need to check that before we trade. We ideally want to trade with the trend, okay? So we ideally want to look, for example, this is a downward trend. So we ideally want to work for potential sells, okay? So when the trend is going down, we go and sell. So either we say short the market, and when the trend is going up, we say that the market is bullish. So ideally we want to start buying, okay? And what do? We buy a currency pair, okay? So that's what we need to do. Let me just close my camera here because my mom is doing some stuff.
That's okay. This is a 1 hour chart, right?
This is the 1 hour chart. Yeah.
And
So
we are viewing time frame of 25th Feb.
that's what we are doing now. Now, that is the first thing, okay? So now we identified what is the trend of the market. So potentially we're looking at three case scenarios, okay? Either the trend is going down, either is going up, or the market is in consolidation. That will look like something like this, okay? So we need to know that either the market is gonna go down, okay? Either the market is gonna go up. Now in this case scenario, we're talking about this one. So the market is going down, okay? Now, next thing we need to do is we need to identify our main points. Okay, we need to identify. What did I just do? Okay, we need to identify, okay, our support and resistance line. Okay, let me just delete all that.
Dude, is my video stuck?
Yeah, it is.
Um,
Just open mine as well. Well, what's up?
I don't know, man. I'm really getting tired. I think so. I've opened too many programs and I don't shut down my computer.
Never.
Kind of when it automatically does. Yeah.
Okay. Good. So what I'm doing, I'm just gonna continue then, Nish. Yeah. So
Yeah,
till you fix that. So what I'm doing right now, okay, I have changed the lines. Okay, I've changed the look of my chart. Okay, to a line chart. Why? Because that is gonna help me identify crucial points. Okay, what do I mean by that? I mean, I need to find an area where the price is gonna touch at least minimum 3 times so I can mark up my chart. Okay, and that point, that area, that line is going to be my support line or resistance line. I'm gonna explain you the difference. Okay, so as you can see, we found here an area. Then we're just gonna look up for another area where my line, my horizontal line, can touch 3 times. Okay, another one here, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means that this is a really important area as well. Yeah, you're back, you're back, you're back. Nice to see you back. So we're just marking up our charts here. We're gonna find another area, okay? This one, and also the last point, which is here, okay? Here you might see only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, okay? This is literally all we need to do. Now, why are we doing this? If you look at the charts, okay, the moment that the price touches this area, the price is something is going to happen. Okay, so either it's going to react and it's going to go back down, like for example here, or is just going to cross over. Okay, so every time the price touches this area, we know that something is going to happen. Now, why do we care? Because this, we can take advantage of this to earn money, to make money. Like for example, it's like a habit, right? It's like if I know that every time at 8 a.m. in the morning, I'm gonna go and take a pee, all right? Like 99% of the time, I'm gonna go take a pee, right? So I'm gonna take advantage of that. If I'm a burglar, I'm gonna go into my house and steal my house, right? If I'm a burglar, okay, that doesn't make sense, but you know, that's why that's what I'm trying to say. So if I know that, for example, if I'm a burglar and I know that my sister is sleeping at 9 p.m. I'm not gonna call her at 9 p.m., right? Because I know that's her habit. So, you know, things like that, we can use it to our own benefit, okay? Now, for example, let's just go down to where we are with the candles and let's just focus here. So what do? We start from 1 hour chart and we're going all the way down to 30-minute chart, mark up a little bit more, and then 5 minutes, and then 1 minute till we get what we're looking for, till we get potential trade ideas. Okay, I think I'm gonna put some more lines here. I like this area as well, Nish. What do you think?
which
Another one here looks really interesting. I'm
zoom
gonna
zoom
make
it
this
out,
one.
zoom it out a little.
Yeah, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 just touched here. Okay, I like this area as well. I can see another trend for me. No, it just broke. Okay, so maybe if I go, let's go a bit lower. Okay, 5-minute chart. All right, now we're talking. Okay, now let's look at this one. Okay, 5-minute chart. What's happened? Okay, I think he's talking to his mom or someone. All right, so we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep doing the same thing over and over again. Literally, making money is so easy. so easy that at some point you're gonna be like, okay, how didn't I know about this before? Why didn't nobody showed me this before, right? Who was that? I guess your mom.
Yeah.
See, moms are always there. All right, so
Always.
we got another area here. Okay, now what do I see here? Nish, what do you see here? Tell me. Nish is a
I,
new guy. He's trying to learn Forex as well.
I was uh, I was trying to open the charts on my trading view. So
Okay.
it's not necessary you all have to follow what we are saying. If you have done trading before and if you're just viewing this for fun, people have different trading, techniques, how
Mhm.
to do it. So it's better
Exactly.
to, take opinions from everyone and then come out with a trade. And that's what we are doing here.
Exactly. Everybody has his own style. Okay. This is my style. What I mean by that, this is my strategy. I find potential areas where the price is touching, and then I take advantage of those areas and then predict, okay, where the price is gonna go next. Okay. So for example, here, if we have gotten into this trade at this point here, we would have gotten for a potential short position. Okay, like look at what happened here. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, that's
It
why I
gave
love
a
my
breakdown.
that's why I love my job. Okay, look at how beautiful this is. The moment it touched the price, okay, the moment it touched this area here, which is 1.17588, the price automatically started going down. Okay, and now that is around, it's not much, but it's 17 pips. As you remember, if you multiply that 70 pips with one lot size, which is $10, you would have made like $17, right, Nish? In about in minutes. In minutes. That's why we're doing this is scalping,
It's
right? This is called scalping.
that's like 15, 20, 25 minutes. 25 minutes.
25 minutes? Yeah. So from two to let's say here from 2:55 till 2:30, no 3:30, that's like 45 minutes, no?
Yeah.
Maybe around here, like even in 30 minutes you could have gotten out of the trade. Okay.
I think I just opened the chart.
Mhm.
It was a rising wedge pattern and it just got shorted again when it was trying to rise from the level. If you zoom out and join all the bottoms which are coming up
Oh, okay, this one you mean on the 30-minute chart?
on the 5 minute chart.
5-minute
Give me the
chart, let
5 minute
me see
chart.
that. Okay.
You see the rising wedge?
Uh-huh. So from
It's not
here,
a wedge, it's a rising.
ooh, wrong one.
It's rising.
Is it rising?
It is rising. There it's higher lows and higher highs.
You mean here? Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah,
within a big trend, we're having another trend, right?
yeah, we can actually if it breaks down. How many pips are there for the bottom
From the bottom, from here,
from there till yeah?
talking about 40 pips here is not bad. It's really good.
I would say a little upward towards the ending, towards the starting of the trend on the 5 minute chart,
From
towards the
here,
starting of the trend.
you mean here?
Yeah, the bottom part where the trend started. Yeah, right there.
It's like 50 pips here.
Let's say wait for it to rise. By the time
You think it's gonna break this down?
having a feeling, if you see the other wedges, it's pretty clear like they were going up. This one is a little weak from the top. That I would definitely say that.
Mm. Let's drop it down to 1 minute. Yeah, I think it's respecting this area here, is respecting this trend. right? Could possibly break down,
You
could
can
possibly do that, yeah.
just let
If
me
it
get
break,
off the FX.
yeah, if it breaks down, we could take a short here, short position for 30 pips, 40 pips. What do you think?
Easy.
Or what we can do is we can just wait till it touches here, till it touches the other support area here.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, resistance area. Okay, so let me explain you the difference. Okay, right down here, we've got this area here and this area here. Okay, this one we call it support. Okay, right?
Yep.
Support. What is support? Why is it support? Imagine it as a floor. Okay, the moment the price touches the floor, it will potentially jump up. Okay, and if you see, if you scroll back, you would see, like, for example, areas like this one, it respected the floor and it jumped back up. Okay, imagine it as a tennis ball. When you throw the tennis ball on the floor, what it does, it just bunches back up into your hand. Okay, and same thing happened here, but this one here, we call it a resistance. Okay, this one is called a resistance. Why? Because if you throw the ball on the roof, let's say this as a roof, then the ball will jump back into your hand. Well, I know that some of you will say, like, we have gravity as well, but that's what the ball does. Okay, so we have support, and this one up here is called resistance. Okay, so we can take advantage of those areas. We can take advantage of those to trade. Okay, now I know there's different trading styles. Okay, me potentially, I really like doing this trading style because it's the most effective one. This is the strategy that I use. Maybe Nish has a different strategy. I don't know, Nish.
I'm very simplistic person. So because I don't, it's like I've just started seeing Forex and the scalping. My thing was always, little more on positional trades or in Indian equity markets, and it's still.
Mhm.
People, if anybody see this video, there's Amulya.money Instagram page. You can go there. It has
Yep.
it's around 60-70% profits in 6-7 months, and we still have three open positions, two which can still be bought. So that about I don't have so much of support resistance. I would definitely there's always a huge demand in a huge supply zone, or what support and resistance the same thing, and it always follows that. So you just need to see the major trend. I mean,
Exactly. Yeah, guys, go check it out. Go check out Niche page. Okay, he's doing some amazing work there. Whoever wants to get some 70% out of his money, okay, better than the banks give. Okay, 100%. Check it out. I think Nish, you should drop the. How can you drop the link here of your page, of your
so
Instagram
I
page?
would
Can you
add it
do
up.
that?
No, I would add it up in the description once we are done with the video. So I would
Okay,
probably.
that's possible. Yeah. So till that forms up, let's look at some other potential trades. Yeah, where you can actually, guys, take right now. I have marked up some charts here. Where is it? I think I was looking at what we were looking at before that you told me.
Check out GBP AUD. It has just started a downtrend.
GBP, AUD, yeah.
AUD, yeah.
Let's check that. Okay. Okay. Downward trend, yeah. Looks nice. Uh-huh. I can see it forming. It was in consolidation here before.
Yep.
So we can trade that. That's not a bad thing. That's a good thing, actually. We just need to do the same thing again. Okay. So go down here, put our lines, okay, put our support and resistance lines. Okay. Take it down here as well. Okay, so this now we have a nice area. Okay, that means this is the consolidation that I showed you before. The price goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and you can trade within those areas. Okay, so now niche has spotted a really nice downward movement. Okay, it just started, so we can just go ahead and take that.
Short
I
position.
will short position.
No, we
Exactly.
should analyze it a little more and then go ahead.
Should I do it? Let's do it.
We should analyze. Go,
Let's
go.
do it. I can clearly see a really nice short position. We're just gonna do it for you guys. Okay, so you know how to do it. Okay, the point here is to learn how to do it yourselves. Okay, if someone is telling you to give your money to trade, okay, might be a scam. Okay, so you might need to take a look on that because there's so many out there right now. But just for you guys, let me just go analyze it in 30 minutes. And okay, I'm just gonna put my charts here, my lines. Okay, same thing as
Get
we
the
did
stop
before.
loss. Guys, always keep a stop loss. Always keep a stop loss.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, let me explain you what niche means. Okay, once we get into MetaTrader or into your broker, it will ask you three things. Okay, first thing is the stop loss, second thing is the take profit, and the fourth thing is the lot size, right?
Yep.
So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take this as a short position. Okay, so it's gonna go here with our lines. Should we wait till it touches up here? We're gonna get better entry,
Yeah. I
I
was
think.
about to say that.
Okay, as you can see, guys, okay, the price is just going up now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait till it touches the trend line. Okay, this is the trend line. The long line goes down there. Once it touches it, we can just enter for a short position. Okay, and I think we should drag it down up to here.
Yep.
Yeah, we're talking about 93 pips is not bad at all. And our stop loss, as you can see here, it forms automatically. We can put our stop loss somewhere up here so it doesn't kick us out of the trade. Okay. Now, if you look on this position here, this should be our target. Okay. And this should be our stop. In case the trend goes against us, yeah, we need to have our breaks right there because we don't want to lose the amount of our accounts. Okay, we don't want to lose all our money just because of one trade. All right, so it's good to have all the time one stop loss, and also it's good to have a take profit. Why? Because what if we're slipping, okay, we don't see this trade coming up. Okay, we don't see that. We're not awake to see where the price has gotten, right? So let's get ready. Okay, it's about to touch. All right, let's get ready. We open. How do we show them now? How to put them? How to put it? Should I show them?
No, just add an arrow.
Uh-huh.
Just add an arrow of the short which is there on TradingView.
Okay, so here I'm just gonna give you the indicators. Okay, the prices. So stop loss 1.82695, 695.
Are we
So when
shorting now?
you're, yeah, we're shorting in just 1 minute when it touches that one. Okay, let's just get ready and take profit. We're gonna put 1.81011. Okay,
Give the value of
now,
stop loss in number, bro. Can you
sorry,
give me the value of stop loss in numbers? How much is it?
82695.
82695
Okay.
and 1.82695.
Okay, and the rule is keep your risks, okay? Keep your manage your risks, okay? So lot size ideally 0.001 per $100 account. Okay, that might not seem a big thing at the beginning, but trust me, it will start compounding, and when it starts compounding, you will develop your skill as well, and then that's when the big money comes in. Okay, so slowly, we want to keep our risks low. Okay, now I think we're looking at the red candle. I think we should enter the trade now. It hasn't touched, but it's really close to that area. Okay, I don't think it's gonna touch. Like for example, here same thing happened. So let's just go and enter the trade. Nish, what do you think?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so we go to our broker. We're looking for GBP AUD, market execution, and then we add those, how you call them, numbers. 0.8269. 695. Okay, and we go and hit sell button. Okay, now what happens now? Now all we have to do is wait for our trade to close. Okay, wait for us to make money. That's what we actually do. All right, nothing more than that. Like we've spent here how much? Like half an hour, maybe less, 20 minutes analyzing the charts. And that's it. We found a potential trade. We can make our money, get the bag out, and just go have a coffee, have a beer, whatever you like. Look at how beautiful that drops now. Look at how beautiful that drops now. We're already in profits. We are already in profits. We're making
We are almost
profits.
in profit, and yes,
We are making profits. That's how easy it is, right? Now, one more advice. Okay, once you're in profits, you don't want to leave some money on the table. Do not leave money on the table. Take that money. The market is saying to you, here you go. That's your coffee money. Take that out of the market. Don't let them take your money back. Okay. So what you can do is you can just edit. You can just go to your broker and edit your your trade, your position. Okay, you can trail your stop loss. So for example, let's say that this was your stop loss up here. What you're gonna do is you can, oops, sorry about that, let me just delete that. Okay, you can drag that number and bring it down to the entry. Now what happens if you do that? You're playing a risk-free trade. Okay, but I'm talking about, okay, we're gonna wait potentially till this trade comes in the middle of our profits. Okay, so till this brings us around 20 pips, 40 pips ideally. Okay, why? Because we don't want to put it close to close and then it keeps us out of the trade. Okay, we want to take some money. We want to take some money. That's what I mean by trailing the stop loss. Okay, we're gonna play risk free. That's the market's money right now. Right? Does that make sense?
so basically, once the trend is confirmed, it's better to get your stop loss down.
Exactly. Okay.
The
So
wise
then,
word. It's
exactly.
making a hanging man. It's gonna go up.
Let me just write it here after 20 pips profit, trail your stop loss to entry, meaning that stop loss should be, what was your entry at that point? I don't know. What was your entry, Anish? My entry was 81859, 1.81859. And you're playing risk
1.81850.
850.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So literally that's all you have to do. Okay. Now, if you don't want to look at your trade all the time, don't look at your trade all the time. Some people get stressed when they see, well, when they look at that. I don't know. Like I'm like that. So I don't like looking at my trade all the time. So just leave it there.
We can
And it
find
will hit.
another one by the meantime. Something overnight, something like a big trend.
Yeah, like okay. Let's go to the big boys then. Let's go to the big boys. Are you seeing anything?
Finding one. I need so if you like, hello, this is my way to find trades.
What is
So
it?
I just open like OctaFX and then there are these all the currencies in front of me.
Uh-huh.
You can see. So
Okay.
I just go around the currencies and see like a huge price change somewhere, which is like 0.44%, 0.24%. So that suggests like a strong trend.
Okay.
So if it's, I try to, get those bounces out of a fall or get those falls out of a bounce. You know, get
Ah,
the top
okay.
or get the bottom.
That's nice. Do you see anything now?
Um, check Euro Canada.
Let me check Euro Canadian. Okay. Hmm. Strong downward movement, no?
Yeah, but no, risky.
Maybe risky. Let's look at more stuff.
Which trade did we take tomorrow night? It was Euro to
The
France.
one, the one I would just
No,
took.
no, yesterday night.
Was it Euro? No,
The long which we took.
I forgot. Let me just check. It was GBP CHF, wasn't it? No, that was,
I think
yeah,
no,
that
it
was
was
fun.
GBP CHF or USD CHF. One of these two. One second.
I think it was
GB.
GBP CHF.
Yeah. GBP CHF. Check the trend,
Yeah.
man. Crazy, crazy. Still going crazy.
Uh-huh.
So
Uh-huh.
we went long yesterday, and are you still long on it? I have covered two times. Yeah.
Really? Oh, that's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. I
I
took
got my
out like 20 and
uh-huh.
25 pips one both the times.
Nice, nice. I got around 30 pips. I go out. I'm like, okay, I'm satisfied with that. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad money. We never leave money on the table. Whoever tells you that, he's a liar. He's lying to you. Okay. So let's look at this one. Okay, this since yesterday, since 2 days, it has gone crazy. Now I don't know what has happened to the news because the news play also an important role. Okay, where you guys can check that is in forexfactory.com. I mean, that is also free information, okay, so which you can utilize, right? If you go on forexfactory.com, you can check on the calendar. I don't know if you guys can see my screen. Nish, is that visible?
Yeah, you're visible.
Okay, so then you can just go ahead and check what is happening in the world in the different currencies here. Okay, for example, we've got the currency here, IUD, JPY, impact. If it's a yellow, it's not a strong impact. If it's an orange, it's a bit stronger. And if it's like red, like this one, it might impact like a lot. What I mean by impact might change the direction, or you might see like a strong movement on the currency pair. Okay, and what do all these things mean? I mean, you don't have to be a financial analyst to do that, but if you want to have a look, you just click on the folder here, which one? This one here, and it pretty much explains you most of the stuff, okay? It pretty much
I
explains you
would
if
say
you
go
are,
for manufacturing PMI.
huh?
Go for manufacturing PMI.
Where? Where's
It's,
that?
I can't see your.
Here, this one.
Yeah, manufacturing PMI Canada 430. Or yeah, okay, US is also good. Why Canada?
Yeah. So we have our financial analyst here with us who can explain us what do all this stuff means. Yeah, Nish?
I mean, seriously, I would prefer not to because
It's too much information, right?
yeah, man, it is. We need to have another episode for this.
Exactly, exactly. All these news are, it's not, I mean, some people like to trade on the news. I personally don't like it. I'm just focused on the technical analysis, which where I get my money from. Okay. She's not bad at all, right? It's not bad. Wow, here I got some charts marked up already. Okay, I don't know if you've seen Euro USD. I've done that before. It looks like a potential short up onto this line. It is already touching on the 30 minutes. I don't know. What do you think, Nish? I think we should short this out.
I think there's too much strength there. You see the bottom fish, the parabolic motion it has went up.
I see that. I see that here. Potentially could break though, right?
Yeah, it can potentially break, I would say, because if you see zoom out on, give me 15 minutes, Jack.
Let me check. Okay.
So if you see, it has based out after a fall. You see that?
Mm,
You see the second low being not that low and the high being higher than the previous high.
yeah, here, yeah. Let me just make the trend up here. I see that.
The previous one also, the previous low.
Here,
Yeah,
where, which,
whole
yeah.
the whole thing.
Uh-huh. This could potentially break, but let's see on the what the next candle is gonna do, because I see like how do you say it, radically, like is going up.
It might be a double top also. You never know.
Sure.
I mean, see, it's always a little risk, guys. If you're
Of
sitting
course.
there in your room enjoying, where you can go out. Although I think you have probably been everywhere and traded.
What do you mean?
Like you have been to your vacations and on vacations, you have still earned money through Forex trading. Am I right?
That's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of it. I was just recently in Colombia. I spent like 3 months there. Okay, and all of that was forex money. Spent nothing from my pocket. All of that was what I got from markets. Okay, well, I do this now full time, so you guys can understand the big spectrum of it, right? I mean, it has taken me about 2 years, but then to learn it, you just need like 6 months of your time. That's it. Okay. So yeah, I mean, it's not bad at all. Doing it from your home, from the beach. Okay, you just need the phone. You just need a laptop. It's super amazing. I mean, you have to be patient in the beginning, right? Because as with all of the new skills, you have to be patient. You have to be able to, just be there and keep pushing. Okay, and then until you start seeing results. Obviously, you're not gonna see results in the first 1, 2, or 3 months. Okay, so I would give 3 months. I would give 3 months, right? I would give 3 months of persistent, continuous education and practice. And trust me, this can pay off. Okay, if I did it and I started from nowhere, I guess whoever you are, you can do it too. Nish,
Hello, I think we should change our stop loss. The trade we took. It's time you
which
see that. I'm watching it.
which one was that?
Uh, it was GBP AUD.
GBP AUD. Okay, we're already making money on that, right? GBP AUD making us good money.
We are up with 5 pips.
GBP AUD, here we are live making money for you guys.
That's already 500 rupees you guys made on YouTube channel. Thank you.
500 rupees. Tell me who else is there to help you make 500 rupees sitting on a chair, right? Doing nothing else. Who would have thought, right? That is so easy. Okay, we got that. That's nice. That's nice. Niche, I see this one dropping a lot because I can see the first two red candles. I mean, check on Euro USD. It could potentially give us another, let me see. Well, it's not much, it's 15 trades till down here. But let's see what this candle can form. Okay, why? Because candlesticks, also candlestick patterns are really important as well. For example, okay, check this out, guys. Okay, we can see is this a doji I'm watching here, Nish?
Just give me a second. That's
Morning star. No, it's not a morning star.
it's called maybe a Death Star. I don't see. This is the thing, right? There are so many things around in technical analysis, but what is the fundamental of the technical analysis? That there is some portions where people are selling it, there are some portion where people are willing to buy it, and you just
Exactly.
need to be with the masses. And when I mean masses, I don't mean by the number, I mean by the volume of the trade who is doing.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think we should go short. Yeah.
Let's go short. I like this one. Well, it's not much now. I mean, we
I
already
mean,
missed the
13 pips
entry.
is like 800 rupees. That's okay.
100
Oh,
rupees
we
is
should.
not bad.
Do you guys know how much capital we have put in?
How much?
So for point one a lot, for when every pip is equal to $1, we have put in around $25 if I'm not wrong, 25 to 30.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
True. It's not much, but it's good start, isn't it?
Although this thing is taking support, it hasn't broken it's not giving the downward stretch.
Which one?
Uh,
GBP AUD?
AUD, let's wait for a minute, but
We can simply just take the money out and just get out of the trade. I don't know.
no, I would suggest to wait, but would suggest to see it, man. It's because see the second the candle after the uptrend, it
Mhm.
should have been a little lower than the previous one, if I'm not wrong, right?
Are you talking about this one?
Uh,
I'm in a 5 minute chart now.
on a 5 minute chart, the last green candle where we took the trade.
Yeah, I see that. I see that. I see that. I see that. Well, it depends on how risky you are. I think that's a personal thing. Okay, some people would like to just get out and take their money right now. Some people don't like to wait, you know. I don't like to wait. I don't like to wait. I just want to get out my money and get out. But
No, but
yeah, if you're as patient as Niche, what you could probably do is just wait, and waiting most of the time pays off. Okay, so you're looking at potentially 93 pips, which is if you do that with how much? Even $1? We're talking about $93. $93, we're talking about 10,000 rupees, isn't it? More than 10,000 rupees,
no.
isn't it?
No,
More,
we are
less?
talking about like 7,000 rupees.
7,000. Okay, my bad. I do apologize. 7,000, I think, is not bad in India, is it?
No, not at all, man, not at all.
You can easily get your lunch or dinner or maybe a fancy lunch. Who knows?
I mean, staying a fancy lunch for 7,000, yeah, I would say in around 4 or 5 places all over the India, you would get a 7,000 rupees lunch.
Wow.
Uh, but yeah, no, that's a lot of money, and for a country where people are, they're still coming up, everyone is still coming up, and now India is in the front line of development. So it's a good time. It's a good
Uh-huh.
time for us. Yeah, it's a good time for people having technology. We have the cheapest network. We have the cheapest internet all over the world.
That's true. That's true. I remember, back in the 2016 when I was in India, I remember that was so I love India, guys. I love India. It was so nice. That I love it so much that I visited Nish again in 2018. I think that was really nice trip, right?
All the trips have been amazing.
Oh man, I love it. I love all the colors and all that things. I definitely I suggested all my friends from Greece to visit India at least once in their life, at least once. And one of our friends visited you as well, right? Who was it, Anna? And she loved it as well. So I don't know, us Greek people, we really love this. We say exotic countries. I don't know if you guys would say your country is exotic, but we do say that, right? Yeah, man. So should we potentially look in another trade? This one is breaking
Uh,
up.
no,
I
that
can
will
see
go up.
it breaking up. Yep, it's breaking up easily, easily. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this one for now. See what they're gonna do. Okay. Now our strategy is called, well, I don't know what it's called. I don't know if we can give it a name, but what we're doing now is just we're observing the price. Okay, our strategy is based on price action. Whatever the price does, we follow it. And that's how we make our money. We follow the trends. I
So
don't know if you see
we have
anything
a
else.
we have a ace investor in India. His name is Mr. Rakesh Junjunwala. been very famous in the equity market. So he has a dialogue. He says, "Trend is my friend."
Friend is my friend. I like that. I like that.
Just make him your friend. He'll pay you good.
I like that. I like that. All right, should we look in some other charts? What is Bitcoin saying? Okay, I know we talked about Forex, but what about the crypto? Nish, can you tell us a bit more about crypto? What do you think?
I would again say it's a lot.
It's a lot, yeah.
So, yeah, crypto. I think Ethereum gave a breakout today. Check Ethereum. It gave a
Ethereum,
huge breakout.
okay.
It's trading at $1,900 tops.
Mhm. Well, let me just look at that. Ethereum USD. Okay, so this one is pretty similar to the Forex that we did, guys. Okay, so the same thing happens in Euro USD, same thing happens here. Okay, one Ethereum is exchanged for $1,933. And imagine this coin, you cannot even see it, right? And people are paying almost $2,000 to acquire it just to have it in their digital wallet. Okay, that's a different story, but yeah, we're gonna discuss it probably in the next episode.
Sure. I think we
Sure.
can trade every second day, daily. I don't know. So this is also one more feature about Forex. It's open 24 bar 7. You are a housewife, you're a housemaker, you don't have time in the morning. It's okay. Come at night. We are sitting at now. What's the time? My watch is on.
By 6 p.m. here, I
42,
think
yeah,
is
3:42 here. It's 6 o'clock in Greece, and we are just like, trading. So it's very flexible towards whatever zone you are in, whichever country you are in, and whatever time you are comfortable. Uh, you are free, and I mean, it's a boon. It's a blessing.
exactly, exactly. That's why I like this job, man. You can just do it from wherever you are, whichever country you are. If you're a fan of traveling, which I am, okay, as Nish knows, okay, I love traveling. So I was always trying to find a way to just travel and earn money, right? So this was one of it. I've traded in India, I've traded in London, I've traded in most of the countries of Europe. I've traded in Colombia, one of my favorite places, in Greece right now. I've traded in most of the countries. So you can do this from anywhere. You can do this at any time you want. Wake up anytime you want. Just live your life and make money. Making money is not as hard as most of people think, right?
Making money is not difficult, but keeping money is something which
Exactly.
is
Exactly.
difficult.
I would 100% agree with you because most of the people they can make thousand, okay, in this profession you can make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, even a day, right? Even in one trade.
So Eldo is talking
And
in dollars here. Don't take it in rupees.
oh yeah, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I'm talking dollars. I'm on this side of the world, but then that they spend it in one day, right? So you need to find a way to invest that, and we're going to discuss about investing in another probably episode. That should be a whole episode about investing, isn't it?
I was planning to do it, but we would definitely now. Let's go on with the series.
Yes, exactly. Let's do that. All right. So I see another potential trade here. Okay. Ooh, we could enter here, but then I don't see the bottom of it. The bottom. Or should we just close it at one trade for today, Nish?
I
Let's
think
just
we can give them a overnight trade till tomorrow.
okay. This one looks like a long-term trade that they can take. Okay, I see it coming down here as well. Because we're talking about lots of pips here. How much is that? Well, we're talking about 120 pips. This trade could potentially last about 2-3 days, depending on how it goes. Okay, but yeah, you can just enter it and have it there in the background running. Maybe have a look on it once in a while. Okay. I can see another short here. What do you think, Nish? because the overall trend is downwards. Okay, so we're looking potentially at something like this. Okay, that's what we want to see. Okay, we have already checked price action. I don't know, Nish, what do you think? I'm looking at lots of red candles here in 30 minutes.
Give me
It's
one.
looking good. It's breaking low. Huh?
Give me 1 minute. I'll just open the thing.
Okay. It might take a long, but I think this one could be a really good trade. Really good short. I mean, check on the 5 minutes. Lots of red candles forming up here. Lots of downward movement. Yeah, guys. So as Nish said before, you don't need much money to get this going, to get started. I mean, there's brokers who accept even $10, right? $10 is how much?
Yes,
Should be
700, 730.
730 rupees. Yeah, there's broker who accept that much, and even don't think that's small amount. That's like I started from small, Niche started from small. Everybody has to start from somewhere, right? So you know, how is that? How is this old saying that? Okay, we have an old saying here in Greece saying like small beans, at the end of the day you're gonna fill up the whole sack. Okay, so that's what you're based on. That's the power of compounding. Okay, so we're gonna be using compounding here to compound our account daily, and with small risk movements, okay, and small gainings, one day this can make more money than your job, and you will potentially end up like me, quitting your job and being proud of it.
Well, we can go short. I just checked.
Let's do it. Okay, let's go short here.
What's the
Let me
time
show them.
are we expecting?
Let me give them the
I would say it would take more time. And there's one more thing. If you open the 2 hour chart, uh, there's a base formation.
let me
But
check that
but it looks like a base formation, but it's not a base formation. It's a lower low.
here.
2 hour chart, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. 2 hour chart, zoom out. Yeah, that's a bigger trend. So yeah, I mean, sure, yeah, risk reward is good. I'm just worried that it's going in a channel since how much time? 22nd?
You think? Okay, since 11th of November, might be.
Oh no, 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 not that channel. The channel which is
Where?
close right now. Just zoom in the last rally. Zoom into the last rally.
Oh, you're talking about this one, huh? Mm.
Yeah,
No,
the channel which has found there.
I'm positive about this one. I'll tell you why. Because it has really touched a really strong resistance here. Well, the moment it touched just the
Yeah,
week,
yeah,
it
yeah.
started going
That
down. It
I
started
think
going
we can
down.
go short. We can go short.
Let's go
We
short
can
on this one.
definitely go short.
Okay, so let me just give you the indication, guys. Okay.
Target price we can lift a little up to the bottom.
Where?
Hello, are you? I'll write down the trades which we have given today.
If I wrote it down,
No, no, I was saying I'll write down the trades which we have given
okay.
today to the people so that we have a
We can
record that are we making profits or not.
absolutely. You guys can see that how much profit we're making, and if we're talking about is worth your time or not. Well, 100% is worth. Otherwise, we wouldn't be doing this. Okay.
I mean, if we are getting 100 pips, we are giving them around 400% today.
Yeah.
Oh, $25 capital. I mean, $100. Why not?
I'm not right. Not bad at all. So I see 124,598, and I see a stop loss. You want to potentially put it above this area here, above the trend line, because you don't want it to hit that line and kick you out of the trade. You won't, but you never know. You better be safe. Okay, why lose from that? So I would say you put that stop loss at 1.26456. Okay, that's it. And as we said, okay, lot size 0.01 per $100 account. So that means if you have $100 in your account, you put 0.01. If you have $300 account, you put 0.03 in this trade. Okay, makes sense, really easy. If you have $1,000, okay, I'm gonna talk in dollars, okay, you guys can just exchange that into rupees. That means 0.1 dollars lot size, okay. So in this trade, you could potentially make, if you multiply 100 pips, if that hits take profit and you have 0.01, we're talking about $10, 10 US dollars, which is, how much you said that, 700 rupees?
Yeah, but I would suggest people to go with 0.1 lot.
Okay, yeah, niche is more risky than me, so you can go guys with 0.1. That means that in one night while sleeping, you could potentially make $100 because 0.1 lot means $1 per pip. So we're talking about $100 pips. Okay. So let's just go. Let me just put that as well. USD CAD. Okay. Just gonna go and find that in our broker. I'm just doing it from my phone. You can potentially do it from your laptop as well. Next time will be we'll have it here to show you guys how you can do it from your laptop as well. Okay.
You wanna
1.8.
show them MetaTrader's front view, how it looks like?
Yeah, so I have it here downloaded. I mean, it's a bit complicated. We're gonna explain to you guys next time on the PC. It's a bit complicated. It's better having it on your phone. Okay, so we're gonna show you in the
Yeah,
next
it's better to
episode.
show them on phone.
Yeah, on the phone, because here, like even me, sometimes I get confused. So better use your phone, because your phone is the only thing that you have with you all the time. Okay, some of you don't even have your wallets with you. You have your phone. Okay, so you better start using that to make money. I mean, you're already surfing on the Instagram, you're already watching videos online. Why not use it to make money for you? True?
True, man, true. GBP, AUD, what was the structure?
Which one?
I'm just noting down the things.
Okay. How many we took? Only one, right?
Yeah,
Let's think.
GBP, AUD.
Perfect. Okay. Let me just stop sharing now. How we close it? How we close it?
We are done with 2 trades today. One will be, I think, another, what, 2 hours?
Few hours. Yeah, 2 hours. Okay.
And one by tomorrow, day after, 2 days.
Mhm. Will potentially take 2 days, and that's it. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming. All right.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys. And next time, if you just watch it for the first time, you don't have trading account, better open it, add like 3,000-4,000 rupees to it, and go small but be regular. The compounding.
Exactly. This is Nisha
So,
and Eldo. See you guys next time.